there, welcome to the Tailored Classroom. Today I'm going to show you how to add students into your Google Classroom. So to begin, you should be at your Google Classroom page. You'll find it through the grid up here at the top. Once you're here, you're going to go ahead and click on People, and you have two different sections. You have the Teachers section and you have the Students section. The Teachers section has a little plus button right here that says Invite Teachers, and you can click on that and start typing in a name or email of someone you'd like to add in as a teacher. Teachers you add can do everything you can except delete the class. So teachers can come in and they have access to deleting assignments or posting assignments, and they can basically help you, or if your administration would like to sit in on the class, this is the place where you would invite them to. You type in the name or email and then you go ahead and click invite. Now, to invite the students, the same exact thing. There's a little plus button right here. You click on that, and you can type in the name, the email, or the student number of the child that you're trying to invite. You find that the name will pop up here, and you're going to click invite. They can also join with this code. If you wanted to post this code for them, they could use that to join a class. So in a previous video, I showed how to create a class. There was also an option to join one, and then you would use this code. This code works for anybody you want to join your classroom. But this is how you would add teachers and students in, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.